Well, I love it when a plan comes together. I planted these about a week or so ago. This is a holdout from the collard greens that I grew over the winter. I couldn't bring myself to pull it up because it's still producing. But these are uh, green beans, Blue Lake green beans, and seems like pretty much all of them are germinating and coming up. So the rain last night actually helped quite a bit. And this is not just green beans. This is tasso. This is something new that I'm growing. I'll show you the package later, but basically this is doing well. And the biggest problem that I may have are the deer. So far, I've only seen one or two. What I've been doing is covering it with this, and I might have to start covering it every night because they're big enough now for the deer to see and smell. But right now, we're looking good.